we have some breaking news right now, Rick. I don't want to interrupt you, but Patrick Morrisey has now won the West Virginia primary. The Attorney General here in the state coming out on top. This is a big headline, and this is the person that Don Blankenship just said he would not support.
Well, he just over the weekend, Patrick Morrisey did what seemed to me like an act of desperation, where he appealed actually to Blankenship's probation officer back in Nevada.
That's right.
And he said, look, this guy violated his probation by not doing his financial disclosures. That, to me, didn't look like the mark of a winning candidate. And when you're doing that in the last minute.
Or it puts in the headline reminding voters if by any chance they don't know that he was on parole up until tonight.
Sure, maybe it works out for him. Maybe he's able to cast himself as the guy, the law enforcement guy, the Attorney General. He doesn't get the Blankenship endorsement anytime soon, but maybe it put him in the headlines.
Joe Manchin knows that this is going to be a tight race. He is geared up for it. Already, Democrats have spent hugely in this race, $3, $4, $5 million from outside Democratic groups already, depending on how you look at the numbers. Senator Joe Manchin told me today he's expecting outside Democrat groups to bring in $20 million to keep him and keep his seat. They're expecting a total of $60 million across the board will be spent on this one race alone. It's going to be a fight until the very end.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.